Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation video for the 2022 Ford Ranger fire extinguisher bracket made by Kap Industries. The tools required to install the fire extinguisher bracket is a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet, a couple of 8mm spanners and a small flathead screwdriver. The bracket uses the two factory front seat bolts. So what you need to do is just remove these little plastic clips or covers. Sometimes you can use your fingers and just lift it up like that. But you can use that little screwdriver if you don't want to break a fingernail. And then use your T50 Torx bit to remove that front bolt. After you've removed the two factory front seat bolts, you then need to attach the extinguisher cage onto the metal bracket using the supplied hardware, the M5 nuts and bolts. And then tighten up the two nuts and bolts with a couple of 8mm spanners. Once the extinguisher cage has been attached, then lift the seat, grab it at the front and lift the whole seat up, and then slip the bracket underneath and then reinstall the two front seat bolts. And just wind them in a little bit by hand so that you do not cross thread the seat bolts. After that, tighten them down with the T50 Torx bit. After you've installed that bolt, insert the little plastic seat bolt cover and click it down with your fingers. After you've done that, then install the extinguisher into the cage. I like to roll the face of the extinguisher gauge up so that you can see it once it's in. And then clip it up. Job done.